back to a brand new video. I'm sorry if I haven't uploaded for a bit. Recently been busy, but now we're free. We're heading to Busselton, or we call it Bustler, and we're gonna borrow a house for like 2 days, I think. 2 nights, yeah, 2 nights. Okay boys, sorry for the late notice. I just arrived here and yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow. Yeah, let's go. Hello everyone, good morning everyone. Yeah, we're heading to the beach, so yeah, we're going with this kid. Yeah. Yeah. Okay boys, later on when we go to the beach, after that we will head back here and we are gonna do a house tour, but look at that. We're about to head to the beach.
근데 잠깐 뭐 하는데
카메라 찍고 있지. Just arrived here boys. It smells very weird. 여기서 200m까지 날려. 혹시보면 여기 맵 다 있는데 여기서 저기서 날리고. There's nothing here boys, just saying. Anyways, we are planning to head home and go somewhere else. Probably heading to Busselton Jetty, or we're going to do some fishing just by throwing it into the rocks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bad head to another spot, not going home. Let's go. Hey guys, we're back at home. I only caught a poisonous fish called a toadfish. That is the spa. This is our room. Got the bathroom. And outside, we've got the whole view, boys. Look, you can even see the sea right there. Just brush my teeth. Tomorrow I'll be heading fishing. So boys, we're about to head to somewhere to catch some abalone. 마이너스 1.
이거 아니야 이거? 잡은 거? 뭐 있는데 이거? 머리
우와.
같은데 머리. 야 이거
딱 가오리처럼 생겼다.
어?
우와.
야 이거 야 뼈야.
우와.
야,
와 진짜.
야 뼈야 뼈.
우와.
야 뼈야.
뼈인데 무슨 뼈? 대칭이
야
하나.
그래 뼈.
그래 대가리다 이거.
그래, 야, 그래,
앞에 좀 봐.
오케이.
들리나 이거?
아니 야 신고해.
신고를
야
하라고?
신고해야지 이거. 어?
이거 안에 통도 비었다.
대칭이지 대칭.
이거 뼈 같아.
야 이거 맞아 이거.
Whoa! Mysteriously, you just found this whale slash orca whale bone. I'm gonna show you some proof. It is not a rock. Look at this. I'm just gonna touch here. That does not sound like a rock. Just please help me. What is this? Comment down below.
갑니다.
Okay, we are going to Bunbury. We are not going home. We will go have some fun, and that's pretty much it. Now go watch it if you would like to.
It's a well wrestle. 수면박 안 입었네.
Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be coming out next week actually. See you guys, bye. Hello there.